Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video. This time I have the Galaxy S10 Plus for unboxing. I got this straight from Samsung. I went to T-Mobile store, which is my carrier. They didn't have that in stock, so I had to go straight to Samsung and get it. This is the white prism color, 128 gigabytes of storage. The screen size is 6.4 inch Quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display, 3040 by 1440, and this is 522 ppi and HDR10 plus certified. The dual cameras in the front, that's the difference between the S10 and the S10 Plus. The S10 Plus has the dual cameras in the front, and that is 10 megapixel selfie camera, and also 8 megapixel RGB depth camera. On the back we have 12 megapixel telephoto camera, 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. So this is a like I said, this is the white prism color. Let's go and start the unboxing. Let me get my knife. Shout out to Smith & Wesson. There you go. Only one tape. Oh, let's see what else. Oh, this is stuck. Last time when I was doing the unboxing of the 10, it got stuck too. I don't know why it does this. Let me put this away first. Let's see what's in the box. We got the phone. This is the white prism. It's not the ceramic one. This is the white prism white. I know it's kind of hard to see, but when a light shines on it, it changes different colors. Let me bring it closer. The S10. Yeah, it's not focusing good, so yeah. Alright, so let me put this away, see what's in the box. So this is the white one, so it comes with a white fast charger and an OTG adapter. We got the white, it has to be white, right? Yeah, white USB Type-C USB Type-C charger. And also these are white as well, the AKG headphones. And on the S10, which was the black color, it had all black accessories. So let's put this back. Let me get this out. I think these are the booklets and the SIM ejection tool. It comes with the SIM ejection tool right here, and everything else I guess is just pamphlets and booklets. We keep this to the side. Let's talk about this phone. Look at the color on this, man. I'm loving the color. Look at this. It's something new, something different, you know, something different. Look at the comparison to the Galaxy S8. That was my old phone. Look at that. So look at the cameras. 2 front cameras. Prism white color, which I'm loving it. Let's turn this on. See how the screen looks. While the phone is turning on, let's look at the case that I got. I got the flip case, the S View flip case. And I think I paid about I got it from Samsung as well. I think I paid about $60 for it. This is it, S View Galaxy 10 Plus flip cover. Obviously I'm gonna do a full review of the phone later on. This is just the unboxing, just to get an idea and just to look at the color, see how it looks. This is amazing. Look at it.
Accessibility mode. Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Look at that. Amazing. I love it. Yeah, before we go, let's take this off. Yeah, look at that, brand spanking new. Smell test approved. Brand new phone, color white prism, a unique color. Let's put it in the SVU case, see how it looks. Let's see, pop it in there. Oh, okay. Oh wow, check it out, guys. See that here? That's the back. I think this is the ceramic back of the cover, and then you close it. I don't think it has a magnet though. I don't see a I don't feel a magnet. But anyhow, I like it. It's a very nice phone. Tell me what you think about this phone, guys. Leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.